Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wit, back with another makeup tutorial. I just want to say hi you guys. Thank you for being such ride or diers and sticking around with me. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the lovely comments that you leave under my videos. And yeah, I can't wait to keep, flooding you guys with videos. And we are slowly growing, which I love so much. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to comment down below. I would love to interact with you all. So make sure you're commenting underneath my videos, letting me know exactly what type of videos you would like to see, anything that you want to ask me as far as makeup tips. If I haven't explained it already in my videos, don't be afraid to ask. And yeah, so today we're gonna do a purple soft glam look for my model. And so there's some glitter, some colors, some purple, some pink in here. So as you know, we always start with the brows. So I'm doing what I'm doing right now is I went in with Morphe's pencil in Java and I filled in her brows. Now I'm going in with warm almond from Milani concealers, and I'm using that to clean out her brows. But you all, I wanted to talk about primers in this video also, as I'm like explaining what I'm doing in this video. So primers, I need some suggestions as far as primers for people with oily skin. So all the MUAs that are watching my videos, if you have any if you have any primers that you recommend, please let me know down in the comment section, because I need to know like what's going on. I tried the elf grip primer and I tried the milk primer, and it just doesn't work for everyone. I'm sorry to say, it does not work for everyone, like especially the ones with very oily skin. Like those primers do not work, and I'm trying to refrain from using MOM, but it's really hard when some of my clients recommend it and like they kind of like ask for it at their appointment. So I'm trying to refrain from using it, but I'm trying to look for a better option as far as MOM, but it is not easy. So if you guys are having issues as far as like oily skin and stuff like that when applying makeup, like I know there's other ways to do it, as far as like applying, moisturizing your skin and so on and so forth, and then setting your whole face with setting powder and then going in with foundation. I have not tried that yet. Maybe I should try that instead of using MOM and see how that works out. But yeah, so yes girl, the primers, they be like, giving some problems. But let me go ahead and explain what I'm doing. So as you guys seen, I went in with that purple shade, and after I went in with that purple shade, I went in with a deeper purple shade, and it's like a blue. It's more towards on the blue side, but it's purple. And then I went in with some base, and I basically tapped that into her eyelid, and then I applied this white shade on top of that base, and then I blended it, the edges out with the same purple shades that I use and a pink shade. And now I'm going in with some that's my cousin, you guys. And now I'm going in with some glitter, and then with a fluffy brush, and I just applied that on there, and then went in with some lashes. So upset that the glitter did not really show as much as I wanted to. I should have applied more, but I didn't notice that the time I was doing her makeup. But here I am going in with Elf Grip Primer, like I said, and I'm going in with Nars Foundation in the shade New Caledonia, and I'm using this buffer brush from Morphe to buff that foundation into her skin. So yeah, you guys, so I gotta find a new primer, sadly. Something that's gonna really work for my oily girls. So yeah, I believe I did come across one. I forgot what it was called, but I don't know, guys. But I gotta keep on going and keep on looking for a better primer. But now I'm going in with Milani warm almond, using that to conceal, and then I'm going in with a lighter shade, and this is the shade Cool Sand, you guys. So the whole time I've been saying cool tan, it's really not cool tan, it's cool sand. So I'm so sorry about that, you guys. Yeah, so I'm going in with that shade, and I'm going in with my favorite setting brush, and I'm just tapping that underneath her eye. And then I'm going in with Ebony Brown from Black Opal to contour, and I'm contouring her forehead, her cheekbones, and then her nose. And I'm using my angled contour brush from Morphe to do so. Yes, period. She looks so good. She like a model. She looks like a model, guys. So here I am contouring her nose. Snatch it up. Snatch it up. Period. She looks good. Now I'm going in with a damp beauty blender, and I'm going in with, I believe this is No Shine from Accosmetics, and I'm setting that setting powder everywhere, pretty much. Even if I didn't highlight it, even if I didn't highlight in that area, I'm still applying setting powder. And then here I am going in with Black Radiance Contour Palette. It's a powdered palette, and I'm just basically tapping that in the same area where I applied the Black Opal contour stick. Now I am going in, and I am setting her nose exactly the same area where I contoured, just so we can get a sharp and precise snatched nose and jaw. Well, under her cheeks, you know. Yes, look at her. She knows she bad. She knows she bad. Y'all see that nose? Period. But yeah, here I am going in with some blush, and I'm just applying that right on there. Ooh, it's so good. It looks so good. Yes. And now I'm going in with Trendsetter from Morphe, and I am just aligning up her lips. Now I'm going in with Cairo from NYX Cosmetics. From NYX Cosmetics, and this is the shade Cairo and Athens, and I mix those shades together to create that. And then now I'm going in with some clear gloss. I also need to find a liquid lipstick that lasts really long instead of these matte creams, because they do not last. Now I'm just going in with some gloss, as you know, period, and it's giving. Yes. Show out, sis. Yes. Give it to him. Now I'm going under her eyes with a black pencil, and I am just going to smoke that out. Now I'm going in with mascara and bring them lashes down. Now I'm going in with some face powder, and this is MAC Studio Fix. And I'm just tapping that all into her skin. Now I'm going with Morphe setting spray to set her skin. Yes, like it's giving what it's supposed to give, honestly. And now I'm going in with some highlight, and this is from the Morphe highlight palette, and I do not remember which shade that is, but here I am just using that to set it, to highlight. And then I go in with Morphe setting spray once again, and this is the end of this video. This completes the look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave your comments down below. Let me know what video you want me to post, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.